The fifth mathematical habit of mind is use appropriate tools strategically. Across all levels of math, teachers should provide opportunities for students to choose different tools to successfully solve problems. These tools might include pencils and paper, concrete models, a ruler, a protractor, a calculator, computer software and programs, to name a few. Students need opportunities to become sufficiently familiar with tools appropriate for their grade or course to make sound decisions about when each of these tools might be helpful, recognizing both the insight to be gained and potential limitations. The goal of this habit of mind is to empower students to make deliberate decisions when using tools in mathematics to aid in solving problems. In this immersion, students are exposed to various tools to create the launching kicker. These building materials and tools provided in the STEAM kits include wooden dowel rods, plastic base hole plates, connecting blocks and strips, screws, washers, lock nuts, paper clips, and screwdrivers. They will not use all these materials during this lesson. However, all the materials and kits remain with the teacher so the students can use these tools to construct unique STEAM creations by selecting appropriate tools strategically. Accuracy and precision are key focuses for students during this lesson. 2 protractors are added to their projectile launcher build. 1 protractor is used to find kicker angles, and students add a paperclip to another protractor to create an inclinometer to measure their launcher's angles of incline. The students will choose their incline and kicker angles as they attempt to make field goals successfully. A ruler is provided to make their build more accurate and precise. Students will decide to collect their launch data in graph or chart form depending on their preference. With this mathematical habit of mind, students should become comfortable deciding what tool is appropriate to use when presented with different problems. Important questions for teachers to ask to best foster this mathematical habit of mind are: what mathematical tools could we use to visualize and represent the situation? What approach would you consider trying first? Why was it helpful to use this specific tool? During this immersion, we emphasize the importance of using the protractor to check your launch angle to help find the successful field goal kick. Utilizing a tool like a protractor provides student experiences with angles which can lead to further discussions and explorations about how protractors, and more importantly, angles, are applied in real-world tasks. With this habit of mind, teachers can help foster students' abilities to choose the best tools to solve different problems by giving them more opportunities to work with various tools and take ownership of their choices. Students should begin intuitively choosing the tools to make them more successful in problem solving and become better critical thinkers.